Hey guys, it's Jessica. It is Jessica, and I am pulling my Facebook up now. Sorry for all that noise just now. That was closing our dining room doors. Okay, let's get this up. Let's see. Okay. Awesome. Hi, Margie. Hi, Heidi. Unfortunately, I can't see who else is in. I wish Facebook would just, show who it is. That would be so nice. And it stopped allowing me to paste, so I can't just copy and paste my story anymore. Which is so silly. Okay. Hi, Jen. Oh, you did? Hi, Luann. Yes, I did. I sure did. Hey, Stace. Hi, Christina. Hi, Cindy. Okay. So, tonight, hi, Cindy. Tonight, I'm going to be creating, hi, Bonnie, a lightning quick project. And yes, exactly as Margie said, I found this at Dollar Tree when I ran to grab more wipes. It's like my daily run or my weekly run. I run and grab about 10 containers of wipes and paper towels. Since I use it so much for chalking. So, hi Gina, hi Brenda. Yeah, I went this past weekend, Margie, yeah. Yeah, Luann, it sure does. That was actually what made me think of it. Hi, Sage. Hi, Bobby. So I said, when I saw it, I was like, oh, I'm going to grab it. Now, I had done that, and I thought, I went with Colleen, my sister-in-law. She used these for her display at the home show. Hi, Raphael. Hi, Laurel. And I realized I haven't used this probably since the first time I got it. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and play with this transfer. I haven't played with it in forever. So I thought, how cute would it be on this super adorable chalkboard black heart? Hi, Lisa. So before you do anything, these are Couture silkscreen adhesive back transfers. Hi, Gina. Hi, Sarah. These are silkscreen adhesive back transfers. They are reusable over and over and over again. How awesome is that? Now, thanks, Margie. Hi, Sue. Hi, Tom. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. Now, before we use this, the first thing we want to do is we want to take a pen, a marker, whatever, and we want to notate back on the back of the transfer. The reason we do this is because, like I said, they are reusable. So after we clean the transfer and we have it all dried and ready to go back on the carrier sheet, we want to make sure we put it back on the correct way. Now, the carrier sheet, I always pull the carrier sheet from the transfer because I do not want my transfer to get stretched. You will notice, I'm hoping as I do this, that you're going to catch some of the gloss. Hi, Patty. Hi, Sue. That is why we notate back, because this is a paper side of the carrier sheet. This is the glossy side where you saw that the transfer can come on and off again. So I'm done with that. I'm going to pop it to the side. Now, this transfer has been used before, so I don't need to fuzz it up, which fuzzing it up just means kind of putting it to your shirt and pulling it on and off again, or putting like a towel that does not have a lot of lint on it. So that is what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and line up the eye in this transfer with the center of the heart, and I'm going to go over the silk screen area. Just want to make sure that there are no bubbles in my silk screen area, right? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my red chalk paste. Now, our chalk paste, oh boy, this one's down at the bottom of the barrel. Our chalk paste comes in 2-ounce containers. And 2 ounces really goes a long way. You know what? We're going to use that one. Because this one, Now I have enough to do the whole thing because, like I said, I'm at the bottom of the barrel. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up this lid. Oh, this one's perfect. Now, these lids you cannot throw away. You need them to help keep your chalk paste nice and moist. Hi, Amy. Hi, Beth. Hi, Sue. I can't remember if I said hi or not, Sue, so I'm just going to say hi again. And guys, as you're coming in, I would love it if you'd share my video. Bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. Please share it. So, I have been... Elaine, can I use this on varnished wood? You sure can, Elaine. This product is awesome. It can be used on chalkboards, and Couture sells gorgeous designer framed porcelain chalkboards, which the chalkboard itself has a 50-year warranty, but you can use it on Couture boards. You can use it on other chalkboards. You can use it on wood, plastic, canvas, burlap, the charger plates. You can use it on glass mirrors. I do it on my front glass door. You can use it on a ton of stuff. It's really awesome. Hi, Janet. Hi, Maria. Do you know if Couture sells any sports pens? Gina, actually, we do. What I will do is as soon as I am done going live, I can go in and tag you, or I'll go in and put the link for the scoreboard, and I'm trying to think what the other one is called. I think it's called Scoreboard, and it's actually due to retire, I believe, after it sells out. I'm 98% sure that is the one that's due to retire. Hi, Maria. Hi, Bern. So what I do is I always just give a little spray of water. And the reason why I do that is because I want my chalk paste to stir to be a nice yogurt-like consistency. Oh, and it smells so good. I know that sounds crazy, but I love to sniff my chalk paste. So you see how gorgeous that is? That is a beautiful consistency, which is going to help spread quickly and evenly across our transfer. Now, I'm actually going to use what a small transfer actually looks like. You guys usually see me have it halves or even thirds. So tonight, I'm going to actually use it as a small size squeegee. Now, that is definitely way more than enough. I will definitely have excess left of this. And I am literally just pulling the color over the words, just the silk screen area, okay? Now, look at all that excess. We're going to scrape it right back into our chalk paste container. We're not wasting anything. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to come back over my silk screen area. And look, even more I'm able to get off. Okay, we're going to take all that excess off. Anywhere you see lines, we want to make sure there's none, okay? So now that I did that, I'm going to come over and I'm going to take the transfer and I'm going to gently peel it up. And look how gorgeous that looks, guys. Anybody can do this. It's so easy. Hi, Judith. You're very welcome, Gina. Hi, Jen. Oh, thank you, Sue. Hi, Gina. Hi, Doreen. So we've got that done, right? Now, what I thought would be cute was if we add a little heart as well. So I'm just going to hit this with some heat so that way I can come in and add my little heart. If you guys are interested and you are not already a Chalk Couture designer, sorry, but my VIP group is for non-designers. If you would like to join my VIP group, just hit me down below. If you are interested in possibly joining my team and hearing some more about the Chalk Couture opportunity, please type join below. I do have an amazing sale going on, actually, I think for another 45 minutes, maybe, half hour, 45 minutes, in my online, in my VIP group, a great sale going on for the holiday weekend. So make sure if you are not a part of it. Oh, Elaine, I'll absolutely add you. Hi, Barb. I bought 11 of those for a class. Yeah, Gina, I snagged quite a few for a class too this past weekend that I had. But I did a different transfer on it. I wonder if I can, I don't like the curve of this one. I think I was going to use that depending on how high I was able to get the transfer up. I like this one, and I like this one. Let's see, do I have enough room? Oh, actually, you know what? Do I have enough room to get the curly one on? I think I do. Now I am using, oh, thanks, Doreen. You know why I went this color? All right, Karen, I'll absolutely add you. The, I went with this color because I figure if I'm using red all the time, my nails won't die. If I'm doing green, my nails won't be dyed. So that was the thought process I had behind getting this color on my nails. Okay, so darn. I think this, oh, well, you know what? I could do it just like that. It doesn't have to be exactly. Okay, so let's get my little small squeegee, and I'm just going to dip it in, and a little bit of all this is all I'm going to need. And I only need to go where the silk screen area is, okay? Okay. Super quick, super easy. Oh, look how adorable. I love it. So fun. Now, guys, let's say, for instance, I did not like this heart because you saw I was going to do another heart. The coolest part about Couture, if you don't already know, is that this comes off with water. You can spray this right off as if it never existed. How awesome is that? Hi, Elizabeth. I will absolutely add you, Sue. Hi, Jen. Hi, Crystal. It is so cool, isn't it, Gina? Hi, Mama Bird. Hi, Christina. That's awesome, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to clean this as well real quick. That way, if anybody is brand new to seeing how this works, super easy. All I'm doing is hitting this with some heat. It is the best. Hi, Linda Davis Rose. Okay, see, now after this is all done, look at that. I can rub my hand all over my project. It's not going to smear. And I am going to show you because you know what? I don't think I like that heart there. So, you guys want to see how easy it is to come off? Wait to check this out. Just get a little paper towel, spray it or dip it in some water. I don't have clean water with me. I just have my paper towel. And all you're going to do is rub the paper towel, the wet paper towel, over your image that you want to take off. Now I'm just going super easy because I don't want to get too aggressive and wind up taking off the I love you for my whole, with my whole heart for my whole life. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just moving gently to make sure I don't rub the wrong part off, which I have done in the past. Pretty famous for doing that. Okay. See, you can change your mind and decide, you know what? I don't like that, so I'm going to take it off, which I did. Now, if I wanted to, while this was wet, I didn't want to. Believe me, if you guys know me, you know I can't stand glitter. I will tell you, for Couture purposes, I do like glitter, but there's already glitter on this heart. I could have, as soon as I peeled the transfer off this while this was wet, I could have sprinkled red glitter or silver glitter or some color glitter that I wanted, extra fine glitter, all over the words, and it would have stayed, and it would have been awesome. Hi, Cal. So this was super easy to do. One pull down with my color, with my chalk paste color, and then I take transfer off. Now let me show you how you are going to clean your transfer. Okay, so I just put it into a little vat of water behind me. Okay, I'll just get a little towel. Don't mind my towel. This towel has seen better days. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to get as much red chalk paste off as I can in my vat of water. As much as I can do. If I can't get it all off, it's not a big deal. So I'm going to just bring it over. And now I'm going to be using a disinfectant wipe. Not a baby wipe. A disinfectant wipe. Okay? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it all over my transfer. I'm going to try and get all the color off. especially in the silkscreen area. Now, if over here, or over here, or over here, or over here is all stained red, it's not a big deal, okay? The red is a highly pigmented color, so some of the color may stain the transfer. Doesn't mean it won't work anymore. Absolutely not. Just means it's well loved. So, just keep that in mind if you notice that some of them, hi Jen, if you notice that some of them are stained. It's not a big deal. So, I'm just going to come in, get my little heart as well. Okay. Clean the front off, clean the back off, and I'm going to leave it on the back side, the side that's going to get sticky again. Leave it facing up, so that way, yeah, see how this is already starting to reactivate the sticky? Once it's all dried, we'll go ahead and we will put it back onto the transfer carrier sheet, okay? So, that's the project tonight. I love you with my whole heart for my whole life. Cheapy Dollar Tree chalkboard with our super cute transfer, some red chalk paste, small squeegee, call it a day, and it's a lightning quick home decor piece that anybody can do. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or want to get added to my VIP group, remember, as long as you are not a designer, I'm happy to add you into my VIP group. Just comment me. If you are interested to hear all about Couture, what we do, and how you can become a designer on my team, please type join down below. Thanks for all the hearts and thumbs up, guys. Hi, Lourdes. So, hi, Krista. So that's it, guys. Here is the project one last time. I'm getting ready to end this, and you guys can catch the replay. Also, don't be scared to share, as Little Brand says. Bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. Please hit that to share my video with your friends. And P.S., just so you guys know, I will be away at Creativation. Beginning Wednesday evening I'm flying out, and I won't be back until Monday evening, but I filmed a bunch of little mini videos showing multiple projects today, and I'm going to give you a quickie sneak peek of one. If you did not know that you can use our chalk paste on little baggy, on cardstock, you absolutely can. How fun is this? I made a little goodie bag with some treats in it for my hubby. How do you seal it? Oh, Elaine, you just use spray polyurethane or Krylon spray and seal. Or you don't have to spray it, and then you can remove it when you're done with your project. But I just thought this was super cute. You guys will have to check back on Wednesday, I believe, is when I scheduled this one to go live to see how I created this. But yeah, you totally can use the chalk paste and silkscreen transfers on cardstock. I had forgot to mention that earlier. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Hi, Jerry. Otherwise, I truly appreciate you guys watching, and have a great night, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye.